Hello students, Bindu Chaudhary is with you in your social science class, and today we are continuing our chapter reading session of chapter 9th, the making of the national movement from 1870s to 1947. Today we are covering the last chapter reading session. Okay, in our chapter reading, in the previous parts, what happened? Different movements arises only for the purpose of the free India, only for the purpose of the gaining our freedom. So Mahatma Gandhi's role was also important in that one, and in this part also students we will discuss about some more movements and so some more happenings of that time. See, this one is the picture of the demonstrators opposed for the Simon Commission. On that time Simon Commission came, and with this Simon Commission many things followed by the British rulers, and they imposed all these rules on Indian people. So Indian peoples always opposed for the Simon Commission. Simon Commission के लिए इतना ज़्यादा संघर्ष किया गया. देखिए एक और हम संघर्ष की बात करते हैं. This one is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi breaking the salt law by picking up a lump of natural salt in the Dandi in the year 1936 April. और यहाँ पे हम जब दांडी यात्रा की बात करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि कैसे 6 अप्रैल 1930 को गांधी जी ने साल्ट के लिए जो संघर्ष है, जो टैक्सेस इम्पोज कर दिए गए थे साल्ट पे, उसके अगेंस्ट में अपनी ये यात्रा शुरू की थी. He wrote about the way women were forced to bear the burden of domestic work, confined to the home and the kitchen, and not allowed to anti-British struggles. So this one is the issue arised by them. And when we are talking about the Purna Swaraj would never come on its own. आपको इसके लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप घर पे बैठे हैं और हमारा देश स्वतंत्र हो जाएगा, पूर्ण स्वराज की प्राप्ति हो जाएगी. It had to be fought for this one. So in the year 1930, Gandhi ji declared that he would lead a march to break the salt law. And in that time, women also took active participation in Dandi Yatra. According to this law, what happened? The states had a monopoly on that one and on the manufacturers and sale of the salts. And Gandhiji with all other persons opposed this one. So Mahatma Gandhi along with the other nationalists reasoned that it was sinful to tax salt since it is such an essential item of our food. So Gandhiji opposed this one, and the salt march related the general desires of freedom to a specific grievances shared by everybody, and thus did not divide the rich and the poor. So whether the rich persons, upper class persons, whether the lower class persons, always all included in this Dandi Yatra, and they all opposed because salt is necessary for food, whether that food belong to the upper class or the lower class. So Gandhiji with other commons and the uppers always opposed this one. Gandhiji and his followers marched for over 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to the coastal town of Dandi. कहाँ से यात्रा शुरू हुई थी? The yatra started from the Sabarmati on the coastal town to Dandi, where they broke the government law by gathering natural salt found on the seashore. जो समुद्र के किनारे पे प्राकृतिक रूप से जो नमक बनता है उसको उठाकर गांधी जी ने जो है नमक कानून तोड़ा. एंड बॉइलिंग दैट सी वाटर टू प्रोड्यूस सॉल्ट. उन्होंने वहाँ पे क्या किया? सी वाटर को बॉयल किया ताकि और साल्ट बन सके. The combined struggles of the Indian people bore fruit when the Government of Indian Act of 1935 prescribed provincial autonomy, and the government announced elections to the provincial legislatures in the year 1937. Indian Act also passed, and in this Indian Act of 1935 they described about the provincial autonomy, and they announced for the elections to the provincial legislatures in the year 1937, and after that next election was held in the year 1946, and the Congress formed government in 7 out of 11 provinces in the year 1937. See the issues, see the seats taken by Congress, 7 out of 11 provinces. And in September 1939, after 2 years of Congress rule in the provinces, the Second World War broke out. And after Second World War, many things changed. So, criticals of Hitler, Congress leaders were ready to support the British war efforts. क्या हुआ था, हमारी जो इंडियन पब्लिक है वह भी ब्रिटिशर्स जो हैं उनके सपोर्ट में आ गई थी, और वो भी इस सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के लिए बराबर युद्ध के लिए अपना रोल अदा कर रही थी. सी when we are talking about the next movement, Quit India, and later what happened, this one is the picture here, Quit India movement in the August 1942. जब सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर की सारी परिभाषाएं चल रही थी, उस समय सारी बातें चल रही थी, तो यहाँ पे भी क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट जो है वह शुरू हो गया था. एंड सी कि कैसे यहाँ पे जो पर्सन्स हैं वो पाँव पे गिर जाते हैं ब्रिटिशर्स के. भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन शुरू हो चुका था. महात्मा गांधी डिसाइडेड टू इनिशिएट अ न्यू फेज ऑफ मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. सो न्यू फेज ऑफ मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिशर्स, and for that one this Gandhi ji played an important role for that, and British must quit India immediately, he told them. बहुत ही अच्छी क्रांति की शुरुआत वहाँ पे हो रही थी. अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो. टू द पीपल ही सेड डू और डाई, या करो या मरो, करो और मरो की नीति शुरू कर दी गई थी. इन योर एफर्ट द मूवमेंट स्प्रेड वन बाय वन. इट स्पेशली अट्रैक्टेड पीजेंट्स एंड द यूथ हु गेव अप their studies to join it. So students who were studying in their schools or colleges, they left their colleges and school and took active participation in the Quit India movement. Same with the peasants also. Peasants also took active participation for this movement. The first response to the British was severe repression, and by the end of the 1943 over 90,000 people were arrested and around 1,000 people killed in police firing. See the situations, how we got our freedom. बहुत मुश्किल था उस समय, but at present we are living in free India. पर हमारे फोर फादर्स का जो हाल है वो देखिए, 90,000 पीपल्स वर अरेस्टेड एंड 1,000 किल्ड इन द पुलिस फायरिंग्स. In many areas orders were given to machine gun crowds from airplanes. एयरप्लेन से भी मशीन गन क्राउड स्टार्ट कर दिया गया था ब्रिटिशर्स के द्वारा. But we had some patience for the independence India. So towards independence and partition. Meanwhile, in the year 1940, the Muslim League had moved a resolution demanding independence states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern areas of the countries. So here Muslim League in the year 1940 moved for the demanding for the independent states, where in the eastern areas and the northwestern parts of the country. So the resolution did not mention partition or Pakistan. On that time there was no single demand for the partition, no single demand for the Pakistan. Why did the League ask for an autonomous arrangement for the Muslims of the subcontinent? But what happened to the Muslim League? Why they demanded, why they wanted the subcontinent there, an autonomous arrangements? Why these things demanded by them? See here, from the late 1930s, the League began viewing the Muslims as a separate nation from the Hindus. 1930s से एक पृष्ठभूमि मुस्लिम्स के द्वारा बनाई जा रही थी और उसमें क्या हो रहा था? A separate nation was in demand from the Hindus. So, in developing this notion, it may have been influenced by the history of tensions between some Hindus and Muslim groups in the year 1926 and 1930. So, some conflicts were there on that time. See, this one is the picture of whom? This one is the picture of Chakravarti Rajgopalachari speaking to Gandhi ji before the Gandhi Jinnah talks. गांधी जी और जिन्ना के बीच में कई सारी बैठकें हुई थी, but before that in the year 1944, see, Rajgopalachari took initiative and he talked to Mahatma Gandhi on this issue. We will take Chakravarti's Rajgopalachari's role in question answer session also, because in this chapter nothing more in for this person. And this one is the next picture about Maulana Azad with other members of the Congress Working Committee सेवाग्राम in the 1942. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि सारे जो मुस्लिम्स है वही उधर जा रहे थे. This picture is of whom? This one is the Muhammad Ali Jinnah with Mahatma Gandhi in Bombay, September 1944. It means some table talks were there between Jinnah and this one, Mahatma Gandhi. And this fellow, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he took active participation in the merging of the 565 states in India. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role in the negotiations for independence during 1945 to 1947. The Congress rejections of the League's desire to form a joint Congress League government in the United Provinces in the year 1937 always annoyed the League. कांग्रेस का तो क्या इच्छा थी बच्चों? कांग्रेस का था कि भाई हम मिल के रहें, बट कांग्रेस रिजेक्टेड द लीग्स डिजायर फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ जॉइंट कांग्रेस लीग गवर्नमेंट in the United Provinces in the year 1937, and it also annoyed the League for the same one. The Congress's failures to mobilize the Muslim masses in the year 1930s and allowed the League to widen its social support. See, Congress always failed on that time, especially on that time, so to mobilize the Muslim masses, and that's why the main reason of the social support on that time taken by the Muslim leagues, by the peoples. See again the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru, who listens to Mahatma Gandhi before the Bombay session of the Congress in the year July 1946. महात्मा गांधी और जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने जब कांग्रेस का अधिवेशन 1946 में कहाँ पे हुआ था? बॉम्बे अधिवेशन हुआ था, तो वहाँ पे अधिवेशन से पहले की ये पिक्चर है और इनका डिस्कशन हो रहा है इस मुद्दे पे. इट sought to enlarge its support in the early 1940s when most Congress leaders were in jail. See the conditions in the early 40s. What happened? In the early 40s, Congress leaders were in jail, and on that time it sought a large support. And at the end of the war in 1945, when we are talking about the Second World War, the British opened negotiations between the Congress, the League and themselves for the independence of India. So here, after this 1945 issue, what happened? These Britishers opened a negotiation. आप कहाँ पे जाना चाहते हैं? States, provinces had full freedom for that one. Elections to the provinces were again held in the year 1946. Before this one, in the year 1937, elections held and Congress won 7 seats in 11, okay, majority of 7 seats on 11 total seats. So the Congress did well in the general constituencies, but the League's success in the seats reserved for Muslims was spectacular. So here is the main issue about this one. Again, see, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the Pashtun leader from the northwest frontier province, with his colleagues at a peace march through Bihar in the March 1947. With Mahatma Gandhi, he raised this issue, and with the other colleagues, a peace march was held on that time. It persisted with its demand for Pakistan. When Muslim League took some parts, some provinces, and on that time it persisted its demands for Pakistan. And in the year 1946 March, the British cabinet sent a 3-member mission to Delhi to examine the demands and to suggest a suitable political framework for a free India. For the purpose of the free India, the 3 members of the missions of the British government came here, and the main purpose of this one is to take settlements between the public, especially with the demands arised by themselves for the political purpose. After the failure of the cabinet mission, the Muslim League decided on mass agitation for winning its Pakistan demand. In the starting, when 3 members of the British cabinet came here, and on that time the cabinet mission totally failed, the Muslim League decided on that time about the mass agitation for the demand of the Pakistan, because they needed Pakistan, a separate country from India. It announced 16 August 1946 as डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे. और इसके लिए मुस्लिम लीग ने क्या किया बच्चों, 16 अगस्त 1946 को डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे अनाउंस कर दिया. एंड द मेन पर्पज ऑफ दिस डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे इज टू पार्ट इंडिया इन 2 pieces, and Pakistan was the main new country for them. On this day, riots broke out in Calcutta, lasting several days and resulting in the death of thousands of people. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी. कलकत्ता में क्या हुआ था, thousands of people है उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. By March 1947, violence spread to different parts of northern India also, not only in Calcutta, in the northern India's part also this issue arose. And what happened, see, refugees from riot turned पंजाब gathered in न्यू दिल्ली in search of shelter and food. बहुत ही बुरा दृश्य हो रहा था. भारत पाकिस्तान का जब विभाजन हो रहा था बच्चों, उस समय जो लोग हैं वो खाने और रहने के लिए, कोई खाने की व्यवस्था नहीं, कोई रहने की व्यवस्था नहीं, तो वो शेल्टर और फूड के लिए न्यू दिल्ली इकट्ठा हो रहे थे. Many 100,000 people were killed and numerous women had to face untold brutalities during the partition. The conditions of the women became so much worse because they were in a critical condition, and all the brutalities was untold to them. Millions of people were forced to flee their homes because all Indians, all Hindus and all Muslims had to fight for their own rights, for their home, for the protection of the women. And torn asunder from their homelands, they were reduced to being refugees in alien lands. अपना खुद का घर था, अपनी खुद की ज़मीन थी, लेकिन उन सब को छोड़ के क्या हुआ, रिफ्यूजीज के रूप में उनको रहना पड़ा. पार्टीशन आल्सो मीन्ड दैट इंडिया चेंज्ड, many of its cities changed, and a new country, Pakistan, was born on that time. So the joy of our country's independence from British rule came mixed with pain and violence of partition. It's okay वी टुक फ्रीडम, बट फ्रीडम के संग संग और क्या मिला हमें बच्चों? lot of pain and violence of partition, and Hindus as well as Muslims faced so much problems, especially women and children faced so much problems. And on that time, that pain, that agony, when you read some book, when you hear from any of your forefathers about these incidents of partitions, you feel so much pain in your hearts. So दिस वन इज आवर नेशनल मूवमेंट्स चैप्टर, एंड हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे ये नेशनल मूवमेंट का चैप्टर है 1870s to 1947 इंसिडेंट वर देयर, एंड ऑल इंसिडेंट्स गिव्स अस सो मच नॉलेज अबाउट द फ्रीडम, हाउ वी गेट्स आवर फ्रीडम। कितना मुश्किल हुआ था उस समय, कितने लोगों की जिंदगियां चली गई थी उस समय। सो इट्स आवर ड्यूटी, हमें क्या करना होगा बच्चों? हमें हमारी फ्रीडम को बचाए रखना होगा, हमारे कल्चर को, हमारे ट्रेडिशन को बचाए रखना होगा। ओके, दिस वन इज आवर चैप्टर रीडिंग सेशन। इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल इंक्लूड क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन, सो स्टे विद अस, एंजॉय योर डे।